Hi Trupti ma'am. It's been an honor to have a mentor like you. From messing around with our juniors into letting them believe that I was your daughter to actually feeling like one, I have truly evolved these past 3 years under your guidance. We will surely miss you, but your teachings will forever reside in our hearts. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's very difficult to say you goodbye. It's been really a long journey. 3 years. 3 years with you. You have always been a gem as a teacher, as a mentor, as an instructor, as a guide, always. Thank you for everything, for all these 3 years, for encouraging us, supporting us, listening us, and everything, pushing to our limits, and taking the best out of us. It's really very heartbreaking when we go to our colleges in near future and won't see you in college anymore. In staff room where you call us to pull out the files from the cupboards. It's really very heartbreaking. It's a bit of a farewell to you right now. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We love you and you will always be our favorite teacher. May God bless you for your life ahead and we love you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. You have always been a great inspiration to me. Thank you from the day one of college till the last day of college. Your smile has always been a motivation no matter what. You have taught me one thing that no matter what, kitna bhi stress hone do, always keep smiling and always be patient. Thank you, ma'am, for everything you have done, and you'll be missed and I will miss you a lot. I'm happy that till the years I was in this college, you have been there, and thank you for everything you have done for me. I remember every moment. If any problem, I just approached you and I should just talk to you and speak out whatever was in my heart. Thanks a lot, ma'am, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors, as well as I pray for your good health, and take care, ma'am. Would always love to be in touch with you. Bye.
Hi, ma'am. First of all, congratulations and a very big thank you for dedicating yourself in the years of the services for this college. Ma'am, I'm really honored to have you. I'm grateful to work with you, and I've learned so many things from you. Ma'am, we will really miss you.
Your lectures were the highlight of my day, ma'am.
Hi Miss, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So I'm gonna start off with when we had this conversation. I was in my first year and I used to not attend the lectures and used to be like, beta attend the lectures. March marks से attendance के लिए attend कर ले. And still I used to not attend the lectures. But being apart from like a teacher, you have been really an unbiological mother to us, and we have been, I can't say a headache also. Headache is really a mild word. We have been a migraine for you, but we love you and I really miss you, and I hope we get to meet soon. So love you, bye.
Hello, ma'am. I hope you're doing well this quarantine. So, hearing about your retirement came as a little bit of a shock because you're still so young. But in all seriousness, I want to thank you for everything that you've taught me about being a good leader, about being a good friend, and most importantly, being a student. It has been such an honor being your student, and I will really treasure everything that you have taught me. I wish you all the best for everything that you want to achieve in the future, and thank you for everything.
So I was told to speak about you, working with you, and everything that I experienced in the past 3 years. And I have to say, it was a great journey with you. From starting to you teaching us FC to going all the way to English, it has been incredible. So one of the things that I always liked about your lecture was your sarcasm, your sarcastic comments, and all your subtle expressions for all the big things that you wanted to tell us. Also, one of the things that I'm going to miss very much is eating in your lectures and being caught and shamelessly smiling at your face. So that's it. Have a great life ahead, and thank you for bearing us for 3 years.
Good evening, Tripti ma'am. It has been lovely being your student. It has been lovely working with you, every class with you has a memorable moment. Be it your encouraging my participation, be it the way you interact with students, the way you connect to us, everything has been really, really lovely with you. Yes, ma'am, we bid you a farewell with a quite a heavy heart, but yes, I will love and respect you always, and you will always be remembered by me and by all of us. Thank you so much for being there for us. Thank you so much for being our teacher. We feel really blessed about this fact. Love you.
Hello, Trupti ma'am. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. And I couldn't thank more for getting such a teacher in my life. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. You have been like an inspiration to me, and you are so good and so down to earth. I love you, ma'am, and I'm going to miss you.
Hi, ma'am. I hope you're doing well. Honestly, I don't even know how to say goodbye to you because you've been such an amazing, amazing teacher, and we have learned so many things from you. Your life experiences, your knowledge that you've given us, so many things that we have learned from you. It's just so incredible. And I feel all these 3 years, the best thing about the day was your lectures, because it used to be light and we used to have fun and we used to learn also, and it used to be incredible, ma'am. And I feel that every institution should have a teacher like you, and we're gonna miss you a lot, ma'am.
Hello and good morning. I am highly honored to make this farewell video to bid farewell to our exceptional teacher and mentor, Mrs. Tripti, who is retiring from her active years. Today I realize how time flies. I have been known you as a teacher since 3 years of my college life, and it has been the same joyful, knowledgeable, and highly inspiring journey with you. From eating in your class to working hard for your assignments, it's been a great journey and an experience. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am, for your 25 years of teaching. We all are inspired by your visions and motivations. The knowledge that you have shared is a treasure, and it will always remain forever in our hearts. We appreciate the time and hard work that you have put in us for so many years, and the words cannot define how much we are blessed and privileged to being among your students. We miss you all. We wish you a very good health and lots of fun.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for every encouraging thing you said to me. Thank you, ma'am, for all the love and support you gave me. You pushed us forward for a better future, and I can't thank you enough for that. And I'm gonna miss you so much, and I love you.
Trupti ma'am, thank you for being with us and teaching us and mentoring us. You were really a blessing to us. Thank you so much.